Here's a brief rundown of the PepperBall VKS PRO. You have your barrel, front sight, rear sight, foregrip, hopper port, velocity adjust, charging handle, air tank, safety, trigger, and mag release. Currently, the VKS is in safe mode so the launcher won't fire. To disengage the safety, rotate it so it's pointing up, and now the launcher will fire. To re-engage the safety, just rotate it back into the original position. To load the magazine, just push the rounds past the retention pin. Then just insert the magazine into the launcher. To attach the air source, just screw your tank into the ASA. Then you're going to pull the guide bar up and slide the stock over the guide bar. To engage the air source, depress the latch and push forward on the charging handle. And now the launcher is ready to fire.